Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your very first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share for more amazing videos. So I'm back with another amazing video. So today we are going to prepare gram flour noodles, and I used a bottle of which I made holes in my bottle top in making my gram flour noodles. And we have our ingredients here. I used a 1/4 kg of gram flour, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. I used curry powder, black pepper and cumin powder, and also salt, and again used baking powder and baking soda and water. So in our gram flour, we are going to add all the ingredients, your cooking oil and your dry ingredients, and also your baking powder and baking soda. Then make sure you mix everything properly. After adding all the ingredients, you can add water. So add water till your mixture is fluffy. Make sure your mixture is this fluffy, then cover it for 15 minutes. The 15 minutes you can put it in your bottle, then you can start frying them. So as I said earlier, I used a bottle, so you have to press your bottle to get the gram flour noodles and let them cook for about 3 minutes, then turn them. Make sure the both sides are well cooked, then you can now remove it. After your gram flour noodles are ready, you can now serve them. So hope you really enjoyed my video. If you did, kindly don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share for more amazing videos. So till next time, bye.